10 amazing benefits of burdock root you must know. Detoxifying and improving blood flow, helping with skin issues, and a host more. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on burdock root, 10 facts and benefits. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content such as today's video. Blood detoxification. According to leading researchers, burdock root is great to detoxify your blood. Full of various antitoxins, burdock root is great if you want to improve the health of your heart. Blood detoxification also helps with blood circulation, with various benefits, the most important of which is rejuvenation. Your muscles and tissues are going to be active like never before, and you will find yourself in a good spot, both mentally and physically. Can inhibit cancer. Burdock root has shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While it's certainly not the cure to cancer, it can help slow down the spread of cancer cells and tumor growth. According to a study conducted in 2011, the root has shown inhibitive powers against pancreatic cancer tumors. Another study from 2016 shows its effects on various types of cancer tumors. Researchers are still looking at which particular cancers burdock root helps with, but everything points towards burdock root being a champion fighter against this deadly disease. It is full of antioxidants. Free radicals inside your blood are a major threat and can cause all kinds of problems such as inflammation. What you need to fight these free radicals are antioxidants, and burdock root packs a massive punch full of antioxidants. It is rich in various antioxidants such as luteolin, phenolic acids and quercetin. The antioxidants get rid of the free radicals inside your body and keep your body safe from all sorts of issues. Much like antitoxin agents, these antioxidants improve the health of your blood and give your body better circulation. Helps with skin issues. The detoxification properties of burdock root make their way to your skin. It has been traditionally used in several parts of the world for treating skin problems such as eczema, acne, and psoriasis. Recent studies suggest that burdock root also helps heal problems such as tropical burns. It is a champion food item against major skin issues, with its detoxifying properties going from your blood to each part of your body. Acts as an aphrodisiac. One of burdock root's most unique effects on the body is enhanced sexual appetite. It acts like a powerful aphrodisiac and can help you increase both sexual function and behavior. Its effect as an aphrodisiac on the human body is not quite well studied as yet. However, animal studies support its sexuality-enhancing effects. There is various anecdotal evidence from traditional medicine to support this. Burdock root's effects as an aphrodisiac on the human body are widely reported and might very well soon be proven scientifically too. Acts as a diuretic. A major problem faced by many people is the fact that they tend to retain water inside the body. This retained water gives a bloated feeling, especially in the gut. Retaining water has no physical harms, but it can make people uncomfortable. Having some burdock root is a great way to fight this. Burdock root is a powerful diuretic that makes the body lose its excess water. Reducing blood sugar. Several scientific studies have shown that burdock root helps decrease the glucose levels inside tissue. Studies on mice found that fermented burdock root can help decrease the blood glucose level quite well. While it may not have anything to do with its detoxifying properties, burdock root still gives diabetic patients something natural that they can use to reduce their blood glucose levels. It does not treat diabetes, but it can help dealing with the disease. For type 2 diabetes patients, burdock root is something they must consider adding to their pantry and diet. Can help treat infections. Another popular use for burdock root in traditional medicine is treating various infections. Burdock root has largely been used to help people get through infectious symptoms such as sore throats and runny nose that can occur from the common cold and the flu. Burdock root keeps the blood healthy, which in turn keeps the entire body running well. It is a great thing to have during colds and can become your choice of tea while you are dealing with a cold. In fact, some studies have suggested that burdock root has antibacterial properties, making it a great thing to have against various infections. Helps orally. The antibacterial properties of burdock root do more than just clearing sore throats. Studies have found burdock root to be especially potent against colonies of bacteria known as biofilms. These biofilms are responsible for issues such as oral plaque, which can go on to result in cavities. Burdock root helps remove the plaque from your mouth, reducing the risk of having a cavity and improving the condition of your teeth. It works just about as well as any fluoride toothpaste in removing bacteria, while offering numerous other health benefits. Improves liver health. The detoxifying properties of burdock root have already been discussed. However, one organ benefits more than others by the purification of blood. The detoxification helps you improve your liver health as the liver burden is decreased. Improving liver health means giving the entire body a boost. Studies are being conducted to assess the extent of its benefit on the liver. According to some studies on animals, burdock root can actually reverse liver damage. While that may not be true for humans, burdock root has historically been used for treating the liver and cleansing it. We remind you to consult a nutritionist or doctor when using anything new in your diet. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on burdock root, facts and benefits, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience with burdock root in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure to take a look around our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. And as always, thanks for watching.